Wipro Global Campus Hiring Updates 2021. As the part of the hiring process, all the selected candidates are required to fill a few mandatory details on the Superset platform, like the relevant details with respect to the availability of the infrastructure, like the laptop and or the desktop is there or not, and the preferred locations and the skills preferences. So these type of few mandatory details you have to fill, and candidate need to follow the instructions sent to the via mail on the 8th December 2021. In that particular mail, they have mentioned that the last day to submit our response on the Superset is 10th December 2021, but that date is extended for Monday 13th December 2021. So 3 days were extended to fill this mandatory details, which is the infrastructure, location and the skills preferences. So the date was extended for the data updation. So all the selected candidates use this opportunity and do fill all the mandated details like the infrastructure and the location and the skills preferences. So these are all details. You need to fill these details before the 13th December 2021 the 5 p.m. So let us see once again how to do this step practically. To complete this data updation requirement step, you have to log in with your Superset login credentials like your email ID and the password. Just enter your login credentials like your email ID and password. Click on the login button. So after login button, you can see the Superset interface. So here you have to click on want to click on the job profiles tab. Just click on the job profiles tab. After clicking, you can see the Elite Nationals Talent Hunt section. So just click on that Wipro. So after clicking on that, just scroll down to the page which is your particular redirected page. After scroll downing, you can see the section called additional questions. So here you have to you want to click the button edit. After clicking on the edit button, they ask to select the preferred locations and the infrastructure details and the skills preferences. You have to enter all the details. So just click on the drop down menu. You can see in the drop down menu, you can select your preferred location first one, and then second one and third one. You can select the 3 preferred locations, and next you have to select if you have the laptop or not. If you have the laptop or desktop, then until you get the your Wipro assets. So just select if you have the laptop or desktop, then select yes. If you don't have, then select no. Is nothing issue. So after that, you have to select your skills preferences. So you can select the 3 preferred skill preferences. First you select the your preferred in the drop down menu. You can select all the preferences. I selected my skills in this section. So after entering all these details like even the infrastructure, preferred locations and the skills preferences, just click on the button the